the areas function. This function tests a range to determine whether it's a single block of data or whether it's a multiple selection. If it's a single block, the result will be 1. If it is a multiple block, the result will be the number of ranges selected. This function is mostly used in macros. Now let's see this function in action. Okay, there are two ranges here. The range in pink border here and the range in green border here. These two ranges, holding down the control key to select the two, so after selecting the first and the other one, and be given a name, and in this worksheet it is given the name people list. So if you check the formula name manager under people list, you will see that this area C3 to D6 and areas C8 to D11 has been given the name people list. So the value for areas people list equals 2. Now 2 in the sense that there are 2 blocks of ranges that amounts to this name range called people's list. Now let's do it manually. Let's type in the formula equals. Don't forget that every function and formula in Excel starts with the equal sign. Equal areas, and let's select this range. You can see reference with a comma if you have more than one. Select the next one, then put your brackets to close. If I click enter, it's going to throw an error. Reason being that this formula requires us, if you have more than one range, you need to put it in double brackets. So if I click enter now, it tells me that this range I'm referring to has 2 blocks. So if I increase it, let's see, let me put another range, say this, and click enter, it changes to 3. So basically this is how the areas function work in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for your time on this. See you in the next lesson.